slide. Oh goodness.
Hi. Oh, Sophia, was that
like,
fun?
What was that? Like I didn't even notice.
Maybe you should just put her up there and hold her on the way down, like from the side, like in Jamboree.
Put your feet out straight. You gotta let go.
She wants to climb on it. Oh, oh. Can you get down? What's that? You gonna climb on there? Yeah? What is that? Sophia? Sophia? What does the duck say? Quack, 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 quack. Is it your ducky dance? Is that your ducky dance?
Yay.
Sophia, what does the duck say? Quack, 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 quack. Yeah. A quack, quack, a quack, 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 quack. Sophia, who's a monkey? Who's a monkey? What is that? It might be hard on her feet.
Try the sand. Put your feet in the sand.
Oh, she could be put on this.
It's easy for her to fall off.
Well, you hold her, Daddy.
Look at that.
What's that, Sophia?
Dirty old sand.
What is that? What is that?
You like the sand, huh? It's between your toes, doesn't it?
Ew, Daddy.
Bury those feet.
Ew. Daddy. Get my feet out of there.
Where'd they go?
Oh. Let's go back on the swing, Daddy.
You wanna go swing some more?
She's gonna eat it. Okay, come on, back to swing. Ready? Sit.
Let's do this with the sun's not in her eyes.
Ready?
There you go.
Okay, Sophia. Ready? Sophia. Yay! There she is. There she is. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone.